Students, here we learn the dispersion of light. What do you mean by dispersion of light? Light is why? Because different when light falls on an object, okay, and we see the image of the object. It means the sunlight. Sunlight is combination of 7 colors. Do you know about the Newton disc? When light are the different colors are mixed at a proper combination and through a disc, okay, and through the center if we rotate what we have seen, we see it as white. This is the Newton disc. And when light is separated into their different colors, this is known as dispersion of light. The band of colors produced when white light split is called the spectrum. Okay, the region of dispersion is transparent medium like a glass, prism, or deviated different colors of light by different amounts. Okay, do you see the rainbow? It is also the dispersion of light. When water drops, okay, reflected the sunlight, the light spreads into its different splits into its different colors. This is the dispersion of light. Through prism, when we pass white light, this is the prism. See, this is the prism. Through prism, if we give it to pass the white light, what happens? We see the different violet to red, different colors. Okay, this is dispersion of light with the help of prism. Now we know about the human eyes and its defects. Generally, what happens in human eye, in a normal eye, okay, in a normal eye, what we can see the different objects. Okay, in a normal eye, you can see difference. But when sometimes disease occurs, we cannot see the objects properly. That means our lens, okay, the lens, it is the eye lens, it is made of protein. Okay, different causes what happens, the size of the lens increases or decreases, and we cannot create proper images. Okay, with the help of what happens, lenses, we can protect the defects. Generally, we get 2 types of eye defects. One is myopia and another is hypermetropia. Sometimes what happens, we cannot see the least object. That means that the objects from the about what centimeter, 25 centimeter. Okay. Then we can use lens so that the image can be formed properly. Okay. Or sometimes what happens, we cannot the objects which are far distances from us, we also use the proper focal length of lenses to remove these diseases. The disease hypermetropia can be corrected by wearing spectacles made of convex lens of suitable focal length, and myopia by wearing the spectacles made of concave lens of suitable focal length. With the help of these 2 lenses, we can protect our diseases. Okay. Now one question, see, eye lens is supported by, okay, different muscles, ciliary muscles. Number B is correct. Number 2, the number of cones in a nocturnal animal is lens, then number of rods. That is. Then what is myopia? Ability to see far objects clearly, weakness. Okay. Which vitamin helps keep our eyes healthy? Vitamin A. Braille system is a what is textual aids. Okay. Now we go to exercise. See the question here. In plane mirror, the image formed is virtual, raised, erect. erect, which is correct? A and D. The size of the eye is adjusted by what? Iris. Okay. You write the questions and answers. Which of the following is not a part of human eye? Auditory nerves. Myopia can be correct with the help of concave lens, because concave lens converts the what? Rays. What is the least distance of distinct vision of a healthy man? Which is correct? 25 centimeter. An image can be formed by a reflection rays reflected on, which is correct? Both reflected and refraction rays. Okay. In periscope, we use mirrors inclined at an angle. What degree? 45 degree. Power of accommodation of an eye is the power of change to focal length of the eye lens. Then this one, when a light ray is reflected repeatedly by a set of parallel mirrors, the intensity of light rays decreases after some reflection. This is because the dispersion of light when rays travels through the atmosphere. Okay. Then see, what is the persistence of vision, effect of vision remaining in action in brain for a short time. The far point of a person having normal eye is, what is far point? Far point is infinite. None of this. Then question number this, cataract is a defect of eye in which eye lens becomes opaque. It is. The bird kites have larger no cones. Then question number 15, which of the following part of our eye is insensitive? Blind point. Okay. Then it is a ray of light falls on a plane mirror. If we rotate the mirror by an angle, by how the angle reflected will change its direction? Theta, thrice theta, twice theta, 4 theta. Which is correct? Twice theta is correct. Students, this is our lesson of light for your competitive exam, and this class is finished for today. If you want to ask more questions, you can ask me. Okay, bye bye.